To set the scheduler, choose your ERICA board 4185, go to Location and Setup and click on the IP address. This will now open up a new window for your weekly scheduler. From here you can apply settings, reset them, toggle between adding ranges and removing ranges, select profiles by individual days of the week, or copy your range across every single day in the week. There is also a 1 hour button. This functionality enables all sockets on the board to go live when you press the button. You can also clear by individual days or clear all across the week if you've made a mistake or want to reset. For the office block, we're going to place this on a timer. We're going to add a range between 6 AM in the morning and 6 PM in the evening. This will enable power during this period. For the second socket, the EV charger, we're going to set this at a slightly reduced time from 8 AM to 5 PM. We're now going to remove a range between 12 and 1 o'clock. This is when you'll get peak consumption in canteens on sites, so we may want to turn the EV charger off during those periods so that we don't overload generators or battery banks. For the CCTV, we will leave this on 24/7, and our spare socket on the board, we're going to turn that off, which will prevent any contractors coming in and plugging appliances into your board. We can also set timers for our power sources, the incomers. In this case we have two, a generator and a hybrid battery incomer. For the generator, we're going to have this run from 6 AM in the morning to 6 PM in the evening. Out of hours, we're going to be running off the battery unit from 6 PM through to 6 AM in the morning. Once you're happy with your schedule, just click Apply. If your profile is going to be the same every single day, go to Copy All Week. This will now copy your schedule, your data, across every single day. In this scenario, we're going to have a different profile on the Sunday, where the site is shut. What we'll do now is remove the ranges on the office block and on the EV charger. As there is very little draw coming through this, just purely from the CCTV, we're going to turn off the generator on the Sunday, and we're just going to run off the battery hybrid unit. You've now set up your profile, click Apply, and your profile is set for the week.